How was it? Basta bro. Take care. Okay, just came by Malvern to check out Tristan and Marlon's expo. So yeah, they're doing expo for weddings. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to Laura now. Go back quick there. Because she's done with her work. People will be looking at me because I'm vlogging. Fun. Yeah. Had some late lunch. Yeah. The worst thing ever is when you came from holidays and you got so tired that you have everything there, like everything scattered around, and you have to organize everything in your studio. And it's so cold, it's winter. Good luck to me. Good luck to me. Yeah, I just used this on my last trip to the Gold Coast, no, to Queensland, and yeah, I'm using this North Face duffel bag. They're yellow ones. I got the black one. This is 50 liters. So at first I was sketchy of having this bag here because it looks just like a bag and it might rip and everything. But I realized that putting in my clothes, just clothes in here, is really good because it doesn't weigh that much. So you can maximize the clothes you can put in here, and it's made of ripstop material, which is like a tarpaulin. I don't know. It's really tough. You can't just rip it. And if you have only clothes here, it won't be a problem. So yeah, this bag here is just a duffel. You can place your stuff up there. And there's one pocket here, one pocket inside, and you can use it as a backpack, like that. So yeah, it's one of the simplest bag. You can keep it. You can inflate it. There's like a small sack for this, or like a case. But yeah, I find this bag very good. I like the material. I recommend it. 50 liters, just enough. You can even have this as a carry-on. Yep, you can have this as a carry-on. It's not that big. It's slight. Maximize. Just a thought. Yeah. So we're having dinner outside. Yeah, we're having dinner outside. So yeah, we're heading out. It's kind of dark in here. Well, I'm heading to the other car. We're gonna look whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna look for dinner because she's tired of cooking and I'm also tired myself. Okay.